Hi, welcome to Make Web World video. Today we are going to see the services of GroupHi. It's a new service which is actually a blog outreach solution. Um, this is an easy way to go and this is an easy way to actually check, reach the new blogs, bloggers, and create your whole PR management from here. Once you need to log into GroupHi, it actually brings you to this particular screen. Like here, I have just created one list for a test, but let's just see the other functions first. The good thing about this GroupHi is the search. So you can come here and search for anything. um, Suppose I have written a post for WordPress plugins, and I can just say search, and what it will do is it will search and it will give me a list, but it will not give me a list of posts. It will give me a list of blogs, blogs where there are a lot of posts regarding that. If I have written a post of WordPress plugins, the thing which I want to do is I want to find out a high ranking page where I can either comment or do some interaction, reach to them, so that my PR management or my PR rank of that particular page can go high. What we can do from here, this screen is, you can see that there is a SEO rank which is almost kind of equal to PR rank or your Moz rank, other ranks. So it sort them based on, you can, if you want, you can sort them based on the SEO rank, and then you can check it out. Like this is a 6th rank. The result itself you will give you informations like the Twitter account, the Facebook account, and the latest post, and how many days ago it has been posted. You don't want to drop your links to the pages which has been created like 3-4 years ago, and most of the search systems where you can search for these kind of things usually have a problem that they come back with a lot of old results, but this is based on the recent activities. So 5 days ago this particular post has been created, one of the good place to drop a link. And along with that there are 117 more posts, which means on this blog there are 117 more posts available. You can save this blog to the target list, so your list will be saved, it will be saved in the list. And even like suppose I want to see like what other posts I need, it's what other posts are available on this blog. It's really easy. You can just click here and it is going to give you this thing: author name, how many posts, how many comments. This is WordPress plugin 5 days ago. On this particular date this post has been created, on this date this post. So actually it is a very easy solution to go and check it out. The other good thing about is it can let's just go to the saved view. This is like I have saved my blog, and if I go to the advanced view it has a lot of other informations also. Still analyzing, so it might take some time, but it can give you a cloud score, post frequency of the blog, how many authors are publishing the blog, and this status field. It's nothing about it's nothing about this Make Web World. It is more about the connection between you and the blog. So if you have sent it to contacted, basically if I click on this it says contacted. That means I have already sent a mail to this owner, or some way I am connecting to this particular blog right now. And you can change it again which says corresponding, which means yes, we are doing, you have received a response, we are doing something here. Partner, yes, we both knows each other, uh, we do post exchange or whatever you want to connect with, so you do that. It's easy. You can just create any new list. Suppose I want to search for SEO blogs, I will say save, and I will get a new list with a SEO blogs. So I can put all the blocks which I want here, like I can say add block, and I can put any block here, and it will add it here and will give me all the analysis for that block. So one of the easy way to handle this whole blogging situation, you can keep track of which blocks are connected with you, where you have already partnered, and even on when you go on the search results, so you can keep track of all of your activities. Like you can check this out, if you click on this you can directly reach there and see that okay, this is the blog, you know that how many shares it has, location ID, and all the other things. So like you can keep it there, you can save this blog to the target list. So that means you want to interact with these blogs, so it is marked as in target team, target blocks. So this is how you can use this whole system. There are a lot of other features, but I've just tried to do the small overview. Hope you would have liked it. Thank you.